back to Hillbilly Adventures. Whew, what a day I've had today. I had to fix a leaking roof twice in the rain, and I think I finally got it fixed, and it stopped raining. We'll find out if it's actually fixed. But anyway, here in the state of Virginia, that's the way the weather is. I mean, it's crazy. It'll be raining 1 minute and the sun out the next, and that's exactly what's going on. And because the weather's turned, I'm going to try to get this video out. I've been waiting for a good day to do it, and we got some mud puddles out there, and the sun's out, so we're going to get it done while we still can. So what we're going to do is, this is part 2 of the Traxxas Hawk, and here she is in all her glory. And I found this gentleman on eBay. I mean, he's a really nice guy. If you look down in the bottom there, I'm going to have all his information at the bottom for you to, order from him if you'd like. But check out what the guy made for me, man. I mean, this is pretty cool. I needed a battery hold down for the Hawk, and he made this one in blue, matches the body. Pretty sick, right? And I mentioned to him that I was going to be making a YouTube video, and because of that, he also threw in this one here, which is Traxxas. Dude, that thing's killer. I mean, he does a really good job. I do 3D printing myself, but his stuff is better than mine. He does one heck of a job. And he also sent a bulkhead for a Hawk. And I mean, it's good, and it's really hard stuff. I assume this is PLA plus, but I'm not exactly. I'm gonna swear to it, but it's awful strong, whatever he's using. And I mean, the print quality is, really good. The guy's really good at what he does. He also wanted me to mention that he can make other parts. If you contact him and you need something made, he has access to a number of different 3D printers, and he can do a lot of stuff if you'll just tell him what you're looking for. So again, if you got something you need that you need 3D printed professionally, give this dude a holler, and I'm sure he'd love to help you out. And his prices are extremely reasonable. I mean, this was $5. That's a lot of work for $5. If you've had anybody that does any 3D printing, the PLA itself doesn't cost much, but the designing and actually doing the 2 colors and stuff, that's a lot of work. So, hey, like I said, give the gentleman a little bit of business if you don't mind, and links and everything will be in the description below. Alright, let's get back to where we were at. So the Hawk, we're going to take her outside. We're going to give her a spin. I'm not going to be too aggressive with it because, again, vintage RC, vintage plastics. Hey, you guys can get a chance to actually see one in motion, and we'll see what she can do, okay? Let's give her a rip. Alright, here we go. 1989 Traxxas Hawk in all its glory. Look how fast that is. No, I'm just messing with you. There we go. Until you get stuck on a stick. Well, let me go free it up. Oh no! Oh, we were having too much fun. Oh, snap. Oh, and snap it did. Doggone it. Well, we got to run it, but we broke. That's the way he goes. And there we go. I done broke it already. The sad thing is I had one of those as a spare and I sold it. Yeah, I sold it on eBay. I should have kept it. That's how it goes with these vintage things, man. I mean, but you get a good idea. I mean, they used to rip back in the day. But, man, now I got to go digging around and see if I can find another part to fix this one. But hey, don't let that, it doesn't discourage me. It shouldn't discourage you with vintage RC stuff. If you get out there and you get one and you put it together and you break something, half the fun is fixing it. Okay, it's a fun hobby. You learn a lot about mechanics and electronics, and you know sometimes things break, and sometimes you have spare parts and you sell them on eBay. Oh, Lord have mercy. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, take it easy out there.